A water heater is one of those work orders that jumps to the top of your to-do list because a resident without hot water is not a happy resident. We realistically can't ask them to wait any significant length of time for something so critical to be repaired. Luckily, water heater repairs aren't usually complicated. If you're not dealing with a bad thermostat or element, it's probably easiest to just replace the whole water heater. But if you can replace one of these key components, you should be able to restore hot water quickly. Let's take a look at the steps you'll follow to replace the water heater's element. To begin with, you'll want to disconnect your breaker and ensure there's no power running to your element. Next, drain your water heater, and once it's fully drained, remove the panel. Next, you take your insulation, pull it back, pull the wires back, and it exposes the element and panel. Next, you remove the protective covering. You remove the two wires and make note of where each wire is located. An easy way to test if the element is bad is take your meter, put it on continuity or ohms depending on the meter, hold one probe to one side of the element, the other probe to the other side, and listen for continuity. When you hear the audible beep, that means your element is good. Next, take a breaker bar, place it over the element, and turn it until it loosens. Once the element is loose, pull it away carefully. Make sure the rubber seal is replaced. Take the new element, put it in place, screw it in finger tight, take your breaker bar and screw it into place the rest of the way. Next, connect your two wires. Once the wires are in place, put your protective cover back over, tuck it in behind the insulation, place the first piece of insulation over, secure your wires in place, then put the second piece of insulation over the wires. Then take your panel, first link the bottom half in, then put your top piece in place and secure your panel. You can find more quick tips like this and more detailed tutorials for maintenance challenges you might face at chadwellsupply.com, and be sure to click below to subscribe to Chadwell Supply's YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell to be notified when we release more tips and tricks. Thank you.